Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Calendly for appointment. So the first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then once you're here, the next thing that you should do is you just have to type out to your search bar calendly.com. So I already opened my account and sign up for Calendly account. So that is why I'm redirected to this page right here. Now you just have to go to this things right there. Okay, so here you'll be able to see the event types that we have created. So when you click on your account and go to your profile, and be able to see your profile, and as of the moment I don't have a profile picture, so if you want to upload, just click on this upload button right here and then choose your profile picture. And then of course you have to type out your welcome message. So you have a default welcome message right here, you just have to change it. And then next one is you have the language, the date format, and then the time format as well. And you have to select your country and then the time zone. And then once you're done with your profile, you can go to your branding. So your company branding will appear at top left corner of the scheduling page. So you can upload your logo. And then after uploading your logo, you can now click on the save changes. And if you'd like to apply all users and your organizations, so you just simply click on the box. Okay, so the next thing that we should do now is to create our first event. So let's go back home, and then right here just have to simply click on the add new event type. So this one right here at the right side. Okay, so when you clicked on it, you'd be redirected to this page. So you just have to select your event type. And then right here at the bottom, we also have this more ways to meet. So we have one of meeting, and then the meeting pool. So invite someone to pick a time with you without creating an event type, or let your group invite us vote on a time. So here we can create a new event type. So we have one-on-one or one host with one invitee, group one host with one group of invitee, collective more than one host with one invitee, so round robin. So for this video, I'm going to select the one-on-one. So after selecting your event type, so right here you just have to type out your event name, and then you can add a color as an indication. So I'm just going to select this color green, and then for the event name, I'm going to name this one as weekly report. Okay, so basically this one is for my members. I want them to report to me. Next one for the duration. So we have, I'm going to add here 45 minutes or 60 minutes. You can also customize here the duration. And the next one is the location. So if you want to use Zoom meeting, phone call, or in-person meeting, you also have your Google Meet. So I'm going to use the Google Meet. And then after that, just have to simply click on the continue. And right here, the right side, be able to see here the preview of your changes. Okay, so now right here, we already have the title for this appointment or this event. So now for the event details, we have this right here. Now for the hosts and invitees, we have scheduling settings, booking page options, and then the notifications and workflows. Now for the hosts and invitees, we have here, so allow invitees to add guests. And for the scheduling settings, so right here we have the calendar days right here. So we have 60 days. So we can select here weekdays or calendar days. So I'm just going to select weekdays. And then I'm going to type out right here 7. Okay, and then if you would like to add a date range, so you just have to select the starting point and the end point. And then if you like to choose indefinitely into the future, the next one is the available hours. So here we have the weekly hours. So we have from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then just have to simply save and continue. Next is you can also add here an event limit. So we have a buffer time if we want to. Okay, so let me just go back right there. So we can add here a buffer time. So add a time before, after book Calendly event. Okay, so we have here before the event. So I'm going to add a 15 minutes. And for the after an event section, I'm going to add 5 minutes. And here for the maximum notice, so set the minimum amount of notice that is required. So here I'm just going to select 4 hours. And for the daily limit, so set the maximum events allowed per day. So I think 5 would do, or 4. Then for the time zone, we can select automatically detect and show the times in my invited time zone, or the other one. And here, if you want to start the time increments, so you can add it right there. So I'm just going to stick with the 30 minutes and then save and close. Next one is for the booking page. So right there, it is now the event link. Okay, so this is how it's going to appear when you send this link to your team member. And here, if you would like to add an invited question, so name and email, and if you'd like them to allow invitees to add guests, so I would like to turn it off. And then for the question number 1, please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. And then if you'd like to add new questions, so you just have to simply click on the add new question. And then after that one, just have to go back right there and then click on save and close. And then here for the notifications and workflow, so we have this send automatic communications for your event. So basic notifications, we have calendar invitation, email reminders, text reminders, or even the email follow up. So here, if you'd like to toggle the switch on for this one, so just have to upgrade to a pro plan. Then after that, just click on save and continue. So after this one, we can now try to preview this event. So you just click on the view booking page and we'd be directed to this page right there. So they'd be able to book to this specific date or to the available dates. And after selecting the date, so they'll be able to choose here the available time. And as you can see, we did not really include it here on the scheduling the time, the specific time, which is the 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you just have to make sure that you have set up the correct time, so the schedule for your meetings will not going to overlap. Okay, so you just have to go to the setup scheduling settings, or go to your scheduling settings, and then you just have to set up right here the time and the date. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.